Hello, this is Sushmita. Welcome back to my channel Chitrakarma Art and Craft. So, as promised, in this video I'll be showing you two different DIY card making ideas, which is always a great gifting option. If you haven't watched my last video, then please do watch that, as this is the continuation video of my previous DIY gift ideas video. So, without any delay, let's get into this video. The materials that I have used are two colorful papers, one black chart paper, scale, scissor and Fevicol. I have cut the white paper into 5 squares of 6 cm by 6 cm each. Now taking the red paper and will cut it into 5 squares of 6 cm by 6 cm each. Now I am pasting the red square over the white square, as you can see here. After this, taking the black paper and will cut it into 29 cm by 7 cm. Now I take a square and measure it over the black paper and will put a mark. Put a line actually. Now I will measure and put 4 lines at every 1 cm above the line. Now follow carefully. After this, I am cutting another black paper like this. I haven't measured this. You can just randomly cut a paper like this. So now I am attaching all the square at the base of each lines that I have already marked. This is the look you will get. Now just follow carefully the following steps that is showing in this video. This is almost done, as you can see here. Here I am cutting the bottom of the black paper into a arrow shape. Now you just have to decorate the card as per your choice. In the last section, I will attach a white square. Here you can write anything, as I have written I love you here. Well, I didn't put anything on the card. As you can see, the card is empty. You can even stick photos on the card on every square or write whatever you like. You can decorate the card as per your choice. In the bottom of the arrow shape, I will put another heart-shaped card just to design the card. I really hope you will try this at your home. This will make anyone special So please try this at your home and make me know over my Instagram or in the comment section below. So this is the final look. In this DIY, I am making 4 circles of 7 cm radius on 2 different colored paper and will cut them. After this, I am folding each circles into half. Now just follow the steps carefully. As it will be hard to dictate whatever I am doing, just follow the steps. In the below section, just attach the papers like this with Fevicol. Here I will be attaching a white paper where you can write or stick any photo. Just cut the white paper by measuring the space. This is a super easy card making technique which you can definitely use or gift somebody. I have cut a small heart shaped pattern and attach it above the card like this, and I have written here "Open me." And this is the final look. I hope you liked this video. If you do, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.